Always try to express your ideas clearly and confidently. My dear, be attentive to listen my speech. Now I'm gonna tell you the world famous motivational speaker and success entrepreneur Sir Jack Ma. Yes, dear. Today he is an eloquent motivational speaker and effective founder of Alibaba. Assume that his journey wasn't a bed of roses. He did hard work and took patience to establish his dream. His story inspired thousands of people in the world, and also he teaches us how to be a confident person. In conclusion, I can say that we should be sincere to follow his approach. That's all.